Shema everyone, my name is Joshua and welcome to the Ballet Cymru online tutorials day 26. Please make sure to read our full disclaimer which you can find on any Ballet Cymru platform. Today I'll be taking you through a bunch of strength exercises which you can do at home which requires absolutely no equipment. Please make sure you do these exercises in a clear area and the ideal footwear for today will be socks. Today we'll be using the floor a lot in our exercises, so if you can find an area in your house where you can slide with your socks, that'll be ideal. Before attempting any of these exercises, please make sure you are adequately warm so you do not injure yourself. So in this exercise, we'll be starting in a bridge position, engaging your abs, lower back, glutes, but mainly your hamstrings. And you're just going to extend your legs forward and then just bring them back in, making sure you massage the floor so you can really engage your hamstrings. Make sure you tuck your pelvis in so you do not arch your back, making sure you keep your lower abs engaged at all times. So really make sure you push the floor and really control back in. If this is too difficult for you, you can do an easier version, which I will exemplify in a bit, which is just extending one leg at a time, making sure you keep your hips at the same level and everything engaged and controlled. Once you've finished, just lower back down. So the second exercise I'll be taking you through is an ab one. You're going to start in a plank position and you're going to bring both knees to one side as shown and then back to the center and to the other one. You can bend your arms if you want a bit more of a challenge. Make sure your hips turn to the side that you're going to make sure you really engage those abs. If this is too difficult for you, you can either just extend one leg to each side. And if you want an intermediate version, you can do a push-up while doing this. So this next exercise will be an ab and back workout. If you need a blanket to make sure you slide better, go grab one. We're going to start in kind of a plank position on our knees, making sure the weight is not on our kneecaps, but the front of our thigh. And we're just simply going to push back and squeeze our back so we get pulled back up, making sure your elbows are tight to your body. And we're just going to repeat that movement, making sure our back is not arched. That is very important, keeping your abs engaged at all times. Your feet position doesn't really matter as long as it does not get in the way. So you're going to push back down and push the floor, engaging your back. For this next exercise, you're going to keep your arms as shown, arms no higher than shoulder level. You're going to find a door frame, put your legs slightly forward, and you're just going to let yourself fall through the door frame and then squeeze your shoulder blades together so you put yourself back through, engaging your back muscles. Make sure your head looks forward and does not move to any side, and just think about really squeezing those shoulder blades together. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please keep an eye out for our future videos. Goodbye!